Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word rewriting. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After receiving feedback from my editor, I spent the entire weekend rewriting my novel. Rewriting refers to the process of revising and modifying existing written content in order to improve its quality, clarity, or effectiveness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.